Hello watcher and subscriber. As you are beginner in the Python programming, so first we are going to focus on basic arithmetic operation in Python, means basic calculation in the Python. Because in any programming language, if you are learning, you must know, after sample program you must know how to perform the calculation. So here we will see how we can perform the basic operation. As you see here in the right hand side, there are some operator that we frequently use in the operation. So as you are aware, plus it is a very common one, that is for the addition, then subtraction. For multiplication we use the star, for division we use this slash, and here it is used for modulus. Modulus means it will be used for calculating remainder, and for power operation means exponentiation we use 2 times star, you can say, for calculating the power. And then forward division means we use the 2 forward slash. So later on I will tell you and you will understand also practically. And here we, in the example side, we have the variable like x plus y. So here you can say x and y, these are the variables. So right now I will not explain what is variable. We will just see the example how we can get the various operation in Python. So first here it is addition. So I am doing a simple operation 2 plus 3. As I told you, I am not going to use variable. Right now we will just use the number in place of variable. In the next tutorial we will see the variable concept in detail. So 2 plus 3 is a 5. So it will perform addition. Next one is a subtraction. So if you write 8 minus 5, 3 coming. If you write 4 minus 6, so it will take minus 2. So that's it for the subtraction. Next one is multiplication. So we have to use star. That's it. And next one is a division. So if I take 10 divided by 5, so it will take 2.0. So here you see in the previous we have got only one number, there is no decimal point. But as you know, in the division operation, most of the time there is no surety whether we get a whole number or you can say we get the decimal point number. Okay, so that's why by default in Python there is a decimal value. Suppose if I write 10 divided by 3, you see here the answer is coming. So in division operation there is no surety, we get decimal number, we get the number like whole, you can say in mathematics, okay, natural number. So that the reason we are getting here the decimal value. And suppose here if you want the answer in an integer number, you can say, then what we do, 10 divided by 3 means we use 2 slash. Now you are getting only 3. So here you understood now float division. Okay, we use 2 slash so that you get the answer in simple integer. Now here we will see modulus, that is very important. So I am using 10 and my next operator is modulus. So percent symbol you can say, and 3. So it will return the remainder because 10 divided by 3. So remainder will be 1 because 3 3s are 9. So ultimately you get the remainder 1. So by using this modulus operator you can get the remainder value. Next one is exponential, that is the power. So suppose if I write simple number 2 and then there is a 2 time star. So next I write 3. So here 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means if you learn in the mathematics, then that number 2 will be multiplied itself total 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2. So you are getting the answer 8. Okay. So if you learn in mathematics, then you can easily understand. Suppose if I take 2 into 2, so the calculation will be 2 into 2, so answer will be 4. So if I take 3 into suppose 2, so here what will be happen, 3 will be multiplied itself 2 times, is 3 into 3, so your answer will be 9. So in this way it will be working out. So here we have learned all these basic operators. Okay, and suppose here for solving, suppose you are getting 2, we are using more than one operator, suppose 2 plus 3 and then into 3. So in that case, as you know, in the mathematics we first solve the multiplication. So here 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, so it depend on priority of the operator. But suppose you want to solve 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 first, then as you know we use the bracket. So in mathematics you already learned that, even in the computer also you learn. So here 2 plus 3 into 3. So what happen here, the bracket will be solved first. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 3 is then 15. So in this way, whenever we have more than one operator, then there will be the use of priority. Okay, you can say multiplication, division solve first, then addition and subtraction. But if you use the bracket, then it will be solved first. So here just I am telling you the basic things. We are not going into the detail of the priority. So when you perform the operation, you may use the bracket also. So here in this sample tutorial, in this basic tutorial, in this basic operation, we have used all the operator, all the basic operator, and now you understood here how this operation get performed. And here one more things I tell you here, when you perform the operation, okay, as I told you, we use a English language, means we use digit in English, we can use some alphabets in English. So it is what, high level language. Suppose if I write 2 plus 3, so it is written in the high level language. And your computer understand machine language, so for conversion there is a use of interpreter. Okay, so here in the Python the interpreter will be used and it will convert that expression, okay, into which language, machine language. So computer then understand this and give you the output into the English itself, because as a human being you understand English. So there is a use of interpreter, and the interpreter convert your code into machine, then again machine into high. And I just tell you one more thing about the interpreter convert your code line by line, okay, one sentence at a time. So here I told you about the basic operations in the Python, and in the next tutorial we will switch on the new topic for your understanding. So I just request you, dear student, as a beginner you have to practice that, and you have to use various expression and just do the fun and check out your answers. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.